Good morning all, camelbacktrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, April 25th. We are looking at Window Traders Market Profile. SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. After a very troublesome finish to the week for the bulls last week, they're starting off in the same vein as we are looking to gap lower in all three of our indices. A lot of stuff happening. We have the big boys' earnings this week, and then more importantly, a week from Wednesday is the Fed meeting. Bears are going to have both the weekly and the daily down. So that's going to be in their favor. Right now, we have inside months for these three indices. So it'll be very interesting to see if we hold that this week or not. If I can tell you one thing, if not, obviously, the yearly lows really become the target on the back for the bulls. Overnight high right now in SPY is 426.25. Overnight low is 421.15. I gave you all those downside destinations on Friday night. So right now, Friday's low was 425.44. We're $3 below it. Now there's still 75 minutes to go. But if we do gap low, it's going to be a weekly gap. So not just any gap, it's a weekly gap. That's number one. Number two, it'll be a gap possibly of $3. I know a lot of people love to scream gap and go, but the bigger the gap, the more likely I'm going to wait and see if we get some sort of inventory adjustment. Once we do get that inventory adjustment, or if we get it, I'm certainly looking for shorts against the gap. Not only did we have a gap, we had a price probe also on Friday. Now, ES did not have single prints, but SPY did have 3 cents. So I would treat Friday as a double distribution day in SPY. Pre-market volume about 1 million right now. Not bad. Now, the interesting thing is Friday's volume, which wasn't that good throughout the day, did 25 million on M period and ended up at 132 million. So there's a lot of volume done between 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. So it'll be interesting to see if that volume keeps up this morning, if we're going to get different time frames into this market, either selling it or attempting to support it. Right now, there really is not a long. I mean, you want to take one against an inventory adjustment against the overnight low at some point, depending on where that is at 9:30. That might be one play to see if we get an inventory adjustment. But we talk about these price vacuums and price voids, and they're there. So it shouldn't be that hard for bears to really get things going if they want to go attack the bottom of that level around the 415, 416 level at some point. So early on, I'm really just looking for shorts. That would go for all three of these indices. And then on the chart, so I went over all three of these on Friday. If you have a chance, check out that video. We are in a 3-month balance in SPY. Last month's low is 415.12, so with 5 days to go, the question is, do we have an inside month or do we take it out? If we do, then we'll look to the bottom of the balance, which is 410.64. On the weekly, outside week down, bearish, and now we're looking to gap lower. So again, we'll be down on the weekly, and on the daily, we are certainly down after Friday's action, looking to gap lower again today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. Good luck trading. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.